Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to show you how to make Kashmiri Chok Wangun or sour brinjal. This video has been made with help of Kashmiri local chefs or wazas. Chok means sour in Kashmiri. So this is a sour brinjal or eggplant curry or Chok Wangun. So let's get started. Start with I'm showing you how to cut brinjals for this curry. You can see here you have to slit the brinjal into 4 with stem intact. First of all, wazas or the chefs start boiling brinjals in turmeric water. Here you can see they have boiled the turmeric water and added brinjals to it, and they are going to add salt to it, and they will let it boil. They let brinjals boil in this turmeric water for a few minutes and then take it out. Meanwhile, they have heated up the oil and they are going to add these boiled brinjals or eggplant to hot oil, as you can see, and we have to fry them. As you can see in the video, these brinjals are deep fried, and once they are fried properly, they will take them off the heat. They start with adding Kashmiri shallots or prawn to it, followed by a small portion of mutton stock. After adding mutton stock and Kashmiri shallots to it, they start by adding whole spices to it. They will add cardamom, cinnamon, black cardamom, cumin seeds, cloves, dry ginger powder and fennel seed powder. The wazas or the chefs add all the spices to all the dish simultaneously, as you can see in the video. There are a lot of dishes queued up to be spiced. They call it masaldun, or meaning spicing up in their language. So here you can see they are spicing up all their dishes simultaneously. As you may have noticed, they have not added chili powder to the dish directly. They heat up oil, add chili powder, or let its color and aroma erupt. Then they add splash of water, heat it up for a few seconds, and then they take it off the heat. As you can see, the chili color becomes quite vibrant, and then they add this chili and oil mixture to all the dish as per requirement. You can see they are adding it to Chok Wangun too. Now they have heated it up, started heating it up on the flame. Meanwhile, they have started preparing tamarind water. Here you can see they are squeezing out tamarind pulp, and then they will add this water to the brinjals that are cooking. Here you can see, and at this stage they will add a little bit of turmeric. In Wazwan they add food color, you may add if you want to, and they will let it cook for a while till brinjals become soft. Brinjals have that melt in mouth texture. So here you can see our Chok Wangun or brinjal curry is ready. Here the brinjals are ready. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.